Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Once again, proud to introduce a beautiful car to our showroom in the form of a 1966 Dodge Coronet 500. This particular ride has 70,000 actual miles. And to get this out there right from the get-go, we do have the Certi-Card for this car as well. Beautiful bucket interior. Nice carpet headliner. This is an automatic, 318 automatic. Has 5-spoke mags on all 4 tires. There's your 318. Has double 4-barrel carburetors. Make sure you watch this video all the way through. I will post pictures right in the video of better pictures, lighter pictures of the engine compartment and the interior of the car. Nice bright work front and back. It is painted in black. It is a driver quality paint. She's ready for the road right now. Does have a new gas tank, new lines, new sending unit. Nice and easy to drive, 1-finger steering with the power steering. This car has a lot of eyeball. Not perfect, none ever are. This has a ton of eyeball. Nice center console with the shifter right there, aftermarket gauges. Beautiful car, ready for the road right now. 1966 Dodge Coronet 500 with 70K actual miles. Please go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out this car and all the others that we have in stock. We do have tons of pictures, this video, detailed description there on our website. Give us a call here if we can help out in any way that we can. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.